what's up. So we're just out here in Havasu for Lindsay's birthday. She's down there right now in the water. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Took a boat tour today. Was it a rugged something boat tour? Those little tiny floats you could take. But yeah, it was pretty fun. About an hour or two. They took us around this island, and now we're just chilling at the beach. It's her birthday, so I'm gonna be taking her to dinner after this, and then we should be heading home. It's about a 2-hour drive from here, 2.5 hours. But yeah, we should be home pretty soon. Peace.